So in this video, I'd like to run through why I really like trading 212 and their stocks and shares ISA. Please watch to the end because there will be a code which will give you free shares, and also I'll get some free shares from it as well. But the important thing for you is that you will get free shares too. Okay, so what I really like about trading 212 and their stocks ISA is that you can experiment with different investment strategies for as little as £1 a time. So when you open an account, this is the screen that opens. But let's say we wanted to invest in Marks and Spencer's. Up here, if we search for the ticker MKS or the company name, this list comes up. We want the one that's on the English stock board. So if we go here and we click on this little icon down in the bottom right hand corner, it opens up a large screen. So ignore all the others along the top here. These are other companies that I've been looking at. But this one here is what it will open on. So you search for Marks and Spencer's, it will open on Marks and Spencer's. And then the interface here is basically very similar to TradingView. So we've got a list of indicators that we can add. So for example, let's look at what the 52-week high and low is, if that's something that you use in your strategy. So we click on that and we can see there that that's the value for the 52-week high. That's the value for the 52-week low. If you wanted a, let's say a stochastic RSI, or just look at a plain RSI. So if you type in RS, comes up, relative strength index, and you can see that's added down the bottom here. Okay, so when you click on buy, you can see you've got various options in order to buy the shares. You can buy it just market, or you can limit the price, or you can do a stop limit as with other packages. So let's just say I want to limit the price, and I want to limit the price to what it is at the moment, 351.2. Okay, so I've got that limit. So as it says here, set the maximum price I'm willing to pay for a share, and then I can move this and get it so that one share is £3.53. So let's see if I can buy 0.5, 0.2, no, 0.2, 0.3. There you go. So let's see if I can just buy £1 worth of Marks and Spencer's to see whether or not my strategy is going to work. You can see here that you got stamp duty but no commission. Order placed, and the order will execute once you've got a price of 3.52 is reached. And then what will happen is this will then swap to buy and sell when that order comes through. There you go. So we've just got that notification. We've just bought the shares. We've got a whole £1.05 in Marks and Spencer's. So that's what I actually really like about this company. It allows you to test ideas for investing using £1 at a time, and that's what I started doing. I started just investing £1 at a time and seeing if I could make a profit. Profit might only be things like 10p, but it still gives an idea as to whether or not the strategy that you're thinking of will work. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you found that useful, please like and subscribe, and I will put the link for some free shares in my in the description. So in the description there will be a link that you could follow which will get us both free shares. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.